In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage store categories on Squarespace. Categories make it easy for shoppers to find what they're looking for and help you keep your store organized as your catalog grows. In this walkthrough, we'll create a category and apply it to a product, start to finish. From your Squarespace dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Products and Services. This is where all of your commerce tools live. Next, choose Products to see your full list of items. Find the product you want to organize, hover over it, then click the three dots, often labeled More. From that menu, select Edit to open the product editor. Inside the product editor, switch to the Organization panel. This is the hub for settings like categories and tags, which control how items are grouped and filtered across your site. In the Categories section, click the plus icon to add a new category. A small pop-up will appear where you can name it. Type the category name clearly and consistently. Think about what your customers would expect to see, like accessories, gift sets, or new arrivals. Keep names short, avoid special characters, and use the same singular or plural style across your store for a cleaner look. When you're happy with the name, click Add. You'll now see your new category appear in the list. To apply it to the product you're editing, check the box next to that category. If you already have categories in place, you can select more than one here. Just remember, categories are best for broad groupings. Use tags later for more detailed filtering if needed. Once you've checked the right category or categories, click Done to close the selection window. This confirms your choice inside the product editor. Finally, click Save in the top corner to publish your changes. Saving is crucial. If you navigate away without saving, your category assignment won't stick. A few quick tips as you work. Plan your category structure before you create too many, so your navigation stays clear and consistent. If a category already exists, don't create a duplicate. Simply check the existing one. And after saving, preview your shop or collection page to make sure the product appears where you expect and that filters reflect your new category. That's it. You've opened Products and Services, gone into Products, edited an item, added a category, applied it, confirmed with Done, and saved your changes. With this workflow, you can quickly standardize categories across your entire catalog and give customers a smoother shopping experience.